In this video, we are going to be analysing Microbot, ticker MBOT, because we are up 16% on the day at $3.35. So, firstly, from an intraday perspective, just want to say we are looking quite bullish now, because obviously we had that big move to the upside. We hit our resistance, our second deviation. We failed that, as to be expected. And then we came into our support, our 2-day anchored VWAP on both the extended and non-extended chart. And again, now we're pushing back to the upside. So if we can break this 363 high, definitely a chance for a big move. And our target for that would be 425. Why do we say 425? Because 425 is that not only basically kind of at the recent move as well, when we did our previous video on it back here. Again, we caught that short to the downside. But if we come back to that level again, yeah, recent high and also our second deviation on the 1 year, going to be a strong resistance if we can come into there. And if we can break that, so for me, I'm probably not going to trade that level, not going to trade that. I want the highest probability trades, and that's going to be from the 460 to the 550, because these are our third deviations. This one's a 6 month, this one's a 1 year. So if we can break to these highs, really strong and high probability that we pull back at a minimum, but if not, I'll have a massive overall reversal back down to fair value, which right now is actually around $1.25, but I don't tend to use that as my final target. Final targets tend to be around that first deviation area, so probably 250 will be that final target. But yeah, looking to short this range here if we can come into here, looking to play all the way down to around 250, so about 50% decline in price we're looking at on the stock if we can go there. Obviously, if we're looking to trade the closer levels to where we are now, so the 350 we've already hit, I wouldn't retrade this level short bias, because if we retest a level, a lot more likely to break because the buyers are taking us to that level once again. So instead, I would only trade that more if you're a trend trader waiting for a break above it, coming back to test it as a support if it can hold, then potential to move to 425. Then 425 is going to be nice because that's a resistance. So if you're a trend trader, that should TP, taking some profits. And then if we're a reversal trader, again, looking at that short bias to play back to probably around a target of 350, potentially around 280. So that's the main breakdown on MBOT. Again, I'm being more patient for the upper levels. If we hit these, I will trade it. If we don't, I'm just going to look at other stocks. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, you will probably enjoy this video too.